Yes, sir. Yep, it's just a warm up. All right, so we won. Hi. Hi. Yeah, I'll be right there. All right, this is gonna end my game for today, though. I'll see you guys in my next live. I got to go. So, thanks for joining.